What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Who Do You Love by Chainsmokers. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes, so stick around to the end of the video where I'll explain how you can enter the giveaway, but for now let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, this song is pretty easy. It's in standard tuning. You're on capo on your 3rd fret. You are using 4 different chords. If you need the diagrams for these chords, they are in the free ebook that's in the description below. It's 100% free. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. I've been giving it out basically since I've started this channel. Got a lot of useful information in there, but it definitely has almost all of the major chord diagrams in there. So if you need those, go check that out. It's in the description below. Your first chord is going to be an F chord. Then you're going to a C chord. Then you're going to an E minor chord. And then an A minor chord. And that's it, guys. It's just those 4 chords repeated throughout the entire song. I will give you a strumming pattern to start you off. I use a simple down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up throughout the entire song. It looks like this. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.